Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine. So, again, welcome back to the class of 4th standard. Mahdi English School welcomes you for the online teaching. Myself, Khushbu Dharani. Yesterday, I taught you lesson number 1, Flying South. Yesterday, we have completed the whole explanation. So, today, let me explain you fair book exercises. What you have to write in your fair book. Okay, let's start with that. Lesson number 1, Flying South. First, you have to give heading. First, you have to give heading in your fair book that lesson number 1, Flying South. Write it properly. Okay, my dear students. Then starts with hard words. So, let me explain you. INJURED. Injured. What it is called? Injured. Then, number 2, reunite. 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 Then number 3, freezing. 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 Number 4, JIM. Gym. Number 4, JIM. Gym. Number 5, MOLLY. 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 Number 6, EXCITEDLY. 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 Number 7, white. 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 Number 7, WHITE. White. Number 8, GOOSE. 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 So let's revise again number 1 to 8. Okay, let's start. INJURED. 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 Number 2, REUNITE. 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 Number 3, FREEZING. Freezing. Number 3, FREEZING. Freezing. Number 4, JIM. Gym. Number 4, JIM. Gym. Number 5, MOLLY. 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 Number 6, EXCITEDLY. 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 Number 7, WHITE. White. Number 7, WHITE. White. Number 8, GOOSE. 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 Now, let's see with the number 9. Number 9. Number 9, ENSURE. 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 Number 10, AEROPLANE. Aeroplane. ROPLANE, aeroplane. Number 11, LETTER, letter. LETTER, letter. Number 12, RANGER, ranger. RANGER, ranger. Number 13, CHILDREN, children. Number 13, CHILDREN, children. Number 14, SEPARATED, separated. Number 14, SEPARATED, separated. Number 15, PROBABLY, probably. PROBABLY, probably. Now let's revise it again, number 9 to number 15. Okay, so pay attention here, my dear students. Number 9, ENSURE, ensure. Number 10, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Number 11, LETTER, letter. Number 12, RANGER, ranger. Number 14, CHILDREN, children. Number 14, SEPARATED, separated. Number 15, PROBABLY, probably. Number 15, PROBABLY, probably. Now let's see the next one, number 16 to number 21. WINTER, winter. WINTER, winter. CRATE, crate. CRATE, crate. CRATE, crate. COSTLY, costly. COSTLY, costly. Then number 19, TRANSPORTING, transporting. Number 19, TRANSPORTING, transporting. Number 20, AIRLINE, airline. Number 20, AIRLINE, airline. Number 21, FLOCK, flock. FLOCK, flock. Now let's revise it again, my dear students. Let's start with the number 16. WINTER, winter. WINTER, winter. Number 17, CRATE, crate. CRATE, crate. Number 18, COSTLY, costly. COSTLY, costly. Number 19, TRANSPORTING, transporting. TRANSPORTING, transporting. Number 20, AIRLINE, airline. AIRLINE, airline. Number 21, F-L-O-C-K, flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Okay, my dear students. So, let me show you again. Total 21 hard words are there in lesson number 1. You can see here. Total 21 hard words. Okay. So, now our next topic in the fair book is meanings. What is the next topic in the fair book? Meanings. Now, let's see. Number 1, separated. So, what is the answer? What is the meaning of separated? Separated means be apart. Separated means be apart. Number 2, reunite. Reunite means together. Together. Number 2, reunite. Reunite means together. Number 3, injured. Injured means hurt. Number 3, injured. Injured means hurt. Now let's see number 4 and number 5. Number 4, goose. Goose means a bird. Goose is the name of a bird, so in meaning we will write a bird. Number 5, ensure. Ensure means make sure. Ensure means make sure. Now let's revise it again, all the meanings together. Number 1, separated. So what is the answer, my dear students? Separated means be apart. Separated means be apart. Number 2, reunite. Reunite means together. What is the meaning of reunite? Reunite means together. Number 3, injured. What is the meaning of injured? Hurt. What is the meaning of injured? Hurt. Number 4, goose. So what is the meaning of goose? A bird. What is the meaning of goose? A bird. Number 5, ensure. Ensure means make sure. What is the meaning of ensure? Make sure. So, what you have to write first in your fair book, my dear students? First you have to write heading, lesson number 1, flying south. First you have to give heading. Then you have to write hard words. How many hard words are there? Total 21 hard words. How many hard words are there, dear students? Total 21 hard words. After completing the hard words, what you have to write? Yes, meanings. After completing the hard words, what you have to write, my dear students? Meanings. Okay. How many meanings are there? 5 meanings. Okay. Okay. So, after completing the meanings in the fair book, what you have to write is give one word. What you have to write? Give one word. Now, let me explain you. Give one word. Number 1, a large wooden box for transporting the goose. What is the question? A large wooden box for transporting the goose. Means, what is the answer? Crate. What is the answer? Crate. Then number 2, a keeper of forest. A keeper of forest means ranger. A keeper of forest means ranger. Question 3, a group of birds. A group of birds. What is the answer? Flock. What is the answer? Flock. Okay. So, let's revise again. Give one word. Let me explain you. Let me tell you. Number 1. A large wooden box for transporting the goose. What is the answer? Yes, crate. What is the answer, my dear students? Crate. Number 2, a keeper of forest. A keeper of forest. What is the answer? Ranger. A keeper of forest. What is the answer? Ranger. Number 3, a group of birds. What is the answer? Flock. A group of birds. What is the answer? Flock. Okay. So these are 3 give one words. So let me repeat again how you have to write in your fair book. First you have to give heading of the lesson. That is lesson number 1, flying south. What is the heading? Lesson number 1, flying south. After that, hard words. How many hard words are there? Yes, 21. How many hard words are there? 21. After 21 hard words, what you have to write? Then you have to write meanings. What you have to write after completing the hard words? Meanings. How many meanings are there? Yes, 5 meanings. How many meanings are there? 5. After completing the meanings, what you have to write? Give one word. After completing the meanings, what you have to write, my dear students? Give one word. And how many give one words are there? Yes, 3 give one words. Very good. So, all the topics start from the new page. Okay, my dear students? Remember that thing, whenever you are starting a new topic, write from the new page. For example, first you are writing hard words, then write in a new page. After completing the hard words, meanings, write in a new page. Then give one word, also write in a new page with a fine handwriting. Okay, so let's do the another exercise. Another exercise is fill in the blanks. What is it? Fill in the blanks. So let's start it. Number 1, 2 children spot an injured goose. 2 children spot an injured goose. So, what is the answer? Injured. What is the answer? Injured. 2 children spot an injured goose. Number 2, the children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. So, what is the answer? Answer is reunite. What is the answer? Reunite. The children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. Number 3, Jim saw something white on the ice. Jim saw something white on the ice. So what is the answer? Answer is white. What is the answer? White. Number 4, Jim and Molly wrote a letter. Jim and Molly wrote a letter. What they wrote? A letter. So what is the answer? Letter. The other geese in the flock will take him in. The other geese in the flock will take him in. So what is the answer? Flock. What is the answer? Flock. So let's revise it again. Remember, my dear students, I already told you. So fill in the blanks. Start to write from the new page. Okay. So let's revise it again. Number 1, 2 children spot an injured goose. 2 children spot an injured goose. So what is the answer? Answer is injured. What is the answer? Injured. Number 2. The children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. The children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. So, what is the answer? Reunite. What is the answer, my dear students? Reunite. Number 3. Jim saw something white on the ice. Jim saw something white on the ice. So, what Jim saw? White. What Jim saw on the ice? White. Number 4. Jim and Molly wrote a letter. Jim and Molly wrote a letter. So, letter is our answer. Letter is our answer. Number 5. The other geese in the flock will take him in. The other geese in the flock will take him in. So, what is the answer? Flock. What is the answer? Flock. Very good. So, first what you have to write? Hard words, then meanings, then give one word, then fill in the blanks. After filling the blanks, what you have to write? After filling the blanks, what you have to write? You have to write complete the following, which you are telling CF. Complete the following. What you have to write after filling the blanks? Complete the following. And where you have to write that? Yes, in a new page. New topic always starts to write in a new page. Okay, let's start. Number 1. He was probably flying south for the winter with the other geese. He was probably flying south for the winter with the other geese. So, what is the answer? The answer is south for the winter with the other geese. Number 2. Molly and Jim put water and some corn for the goose. Molly and Jim put water and some corn for the goose. So, what is the answer? Water and some corn for the goose. Water and some corn for the goose. Number 3. The airline wants to fly your goose south for free. The airline wants to fly your goose south for free. So, what is the answer? To fly your goose south for free. What is the answer? To fly your goose south for free. Number 4. Since you saved the wild goose, the airline wants you to have this box for free too. Since you saved the wild goose, the airline wants you to have this box for free too. So, what is the answer, my dear students? The answer is the airline wants you to have this box for free too. What is the answer? The airline wants you to have this box for free too. Number 5. The ranger put a band around the leg of the goose. The ranger put a band around the leg of the goose. So, what is the answer? The answer is band around the leg of the goose. What is the answer, my dear students? Band around the leg of the goose. So, these are the 5 complete the following which you have to write in your fair book after completing the fill in the blanks. So, let me show you all the things again what you have to write today. First, you have to write hard words. Lesson 1, hard words. How many hard words are there total? Total 21 hard words are there. Then meanings. How many meanings are there? Total 5 meanings are there. After completing the meanings, give one word. Total 3 give one words are there. After completing the give one word, what you have to write? Fill in the blanks. How many fill in the blanks are there? Total 5 fill in the blanks. And after completing the fill in the blanks, what you have to write? Complete the following. What you have to write? Complete the following. So, my dear students, please remember that write in a neat and clean good handwriting and always starts new topic from the new page. Okay? And take care about yourself. Bye bye. Have a good day.